Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract opportunities effortlessly, while others feel stuck no matter how hard they try? The answer may not be luck. It may begin with something much simpler: the way we think, what we focus on, and the actions we take every day. Manifestation is often misunderstood. Some people believe it is magic. Others think it is about simply wishing for something and waiting for it to appear. In reality, manifestation is better understood as intentionally directing your attention toward meaningful goals, building helpful habits, and noticing opportunities that align with what matters to you. It doesn't replace action. It works alongside it. If you're completely new to manifestation, this video will guide you through a few simple practices you can start using today. Take a deep breath. Find a comfortable position. Allow yourself to relax for the next few minutes. Let's begin. The first principle is clarity. Many people say they want more money, happiness, or success, but they never define what those words actually mean for them. Imagine getting into a taxi and telling the driver, "Just drive somewhere." You probably wouldn't end up where you truly wanted to go. Your mind works similarly. Clear goals help guide your attention and decisions. Ask yourself, what do I genuinely want? How would my life look if I achieved it? Why is it important to me? The clearer your vision, the easier it becomes to recognize opportunities that support it. The second principle is gratitude. Gratitude doesn't mean pretending everything is perfect. It means noticing what is already going well, even if it's something small. You might be grateful for your health, for a supportive friend, for the ability to learn, for a safe place to sleep. Research suggests that regularly practicing gratitude can improve mood and shift attention away from constant negativity. Try writing down 3 things you're grateful for each morning or evening. Over time, this simple habit can change the way you view your day. The third principle is visualization. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself living the life you're working toward. Picture the details. What do you see? What do you hear? How do you feel? Visualization is commonly used by athletes and performers to mentally rehearse success. While imagining success alone won't make it happen, combining visualization with consistent effort can increase confidence and motivation. The fourth principle is your inner dialogue. Pay attention to the way you speak to yourself. If your mind constantly repeats, "I'm not good enough," "I'll never succeed," "I'm always unlucky," those thoughts can influence your confidence and choices. Try replacing them with realistic, encouraging statements. "I am learning every day," "I can improve through practice," "I am capable of handling challenges." Small shifts in self-talk can have a meaningful impact over time. The fifth principle is taking action. This is where many people stop. They visualize, they repeat affirmations, they write goals, but then they wait. Manifestation is not passive. Every meaningful goal requires action. If your dream is to start a business, begin learning the skills you need. If your goal is better health, start with one healthy meal or a short walk today. If you want stronger relationships, send the message, make the call, or spend time with the people who matter. Even the smallest step moves you forward. Consistency is more powerful than perfection. The sixth principle is patience. Meaningful change usually happens gradually. Think about planting a tree. You don't plant the seed today and expect a forest tomorrow. You water it, you protect it, you trust the process. Your personal growth works much the same way. Some days you'll feel motivated, some days you won't. Keep going anyway. Small actions repeated consistently often lead to significant results over time. Here's a simple daily routine you can start using. When you wake up, spend 1 minute thinking about 3 things you're grateful for. Take another minute to picture one goal you are actively working toward. Choose one small action that moves you closer to that goal. At night, reflect on what went well and what you learned during the day. This entire routine takes less than 5 minutes, yet it can help you become more intentional and focused. Remember this: your thoughts influence your emotions. Your emotions influence your behavior. Your behavior shapes your results. While no technique can guarantee specific outcomes, building constructive habits, maintaining a positive outlook, and taking consistent action can greatly improve your chances of reaching your goals. The future isn't created by one perfect decision. It's built through hundreds of small choices made every single day. Every positive habit you create becomes another step toward the life you're trying